Hello, welcome to Spring Everyday. So, Lombok is supposed to generate the getter and setter for you in the class. For example, I have a Pojo class called Post, and I use the Lombok data and try to get me the getter and setter. However, when I try to use the getter, it says this method is undefined. So what was the issue and how we can solve it? Here is a very easy one. So you just come to the extension and try to find the Lombok and install it. And after the installation, you restart the Visual Studio Code. As you can see, this get complaint is not there anymore. And if you want, you can even set. So let's say you want to try set. Yes, set is also there. So this is how you can enable Lombok in the Visual Studio Code, and this is a very easy solution. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.